Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's Grid and Ruler tools. To turn on your rulers, go to Files, View Settings, and turn on Show Rulers and Guides. Mine is already turned on, hence why you're seeing the tick. But the shortcut is to use Control R. Here you will see the ruler at the side and also at the top. Now to access guides, click and drag the ruler onto your page and you'll see two purple lines there, and these are used in your designs to line up elements. To understand snap to grid, here I have a text on the page. I'm just going to drag it alongside the guides and here it snaps into place, hence why you're seeing the two pink lines. So Canva automatically snaps objects to guides for clean alignment. In using grids, go to Elements and in the search bar type in Grids and choose a layout. I'm going to choose this single one. You can resize it and drag it anywhere on the design. You can duplicate this grid by two-finger click on your mouse and select duplicate, or the shortcut is Command D, and you can drag this to the next side of your design. From here, now you can choose an object or image to use. I'm going to type city in the search bar. I'm going to select this image and I'm going to drag it into this grid. I'm going to look for another photo and I'm going to drag it into the other grid. You can resize, and this is where you would use your guide to help you keep the images in the same size. And this is where you would use the guides to allow both images to have instant balance. You can also create unique grids by dragging out another guide, and we simply want the two images to not touch each other. So the two guides that we have here in the middle, they are going to create the perfect distance needed so that the two images, they have the perfect balance. For the background image, let us just change the transparency so that we can see what we got going on. Sometimes the guides, they create a bit of a chaos when you're looking at the final designs. All you have to do is just drag them off and all you will see is your design. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.